What is up? Welcome back to another episode of DCP, Dorsett Cracks Packs. My name is Brendan. You can call me Dorsett. And to wrap up this week, we wanted to go back to something a little bit different. We're going to do some Modern Horizons 2 set boosters. These, I don't know if they just cracked a pack at the local LGS or something, a box, excuse me. But these were just suddenly on the shelves. They'd been out of stock at my LGS for a little while. So, get right into it. Oh, it's going to be a difficult rip. Get the knife out for these ones. Alright. Finally get that open. Alright. Got art card. Hey, that's on the cover of the pack. Got Mountain, Gilt Blade Prowler, a World Weary, Torok's Canticle, Cabal Initiate, Mistvault Bridge, Sanctuary Raptor, Scurry Oak, Glimpse of Tomorrow. Okay, these suspend cards are interesting. A Quirion Ranger, a Late to Dinner alternate art, and a Foundation Breaker foil. Alright, good start. Let's see if this one's any easier to open than the last one. Oh yeah, that one's ended up. That's another art card. An island. We got a foil island that time. Nice. Sinister Starfish. Echoing Return. Landscaper Kolos. Breathless Night. Healer's Flock. Blossoming Calm. Rishadan Dockhand in the Old Border. Nice. Classic card. Nykthos Paragon. A little double rare pack there. Morgue Salvage, Kitchen Imp, and a Power Depot. Alright. Nice double rare pack there. Always happy to see it. This one's going to need the knife again. There we go. Savage that thing. Art card. Island. Goldmire Bridge. Sojourner's Companion. Late to Dinner. Discerning Taste. Raving Visionary. Skyblade's Boon. The Underworld Cookbook, a classic right there. You're going to see Asmo. Out of Time. Classic card. And Agreed. These spiked a little bit recently, right? Terminal Agony, Inevitable Betrayal, and a Liliana's Devotee from the list. Alright, it's nothing too major in there. We got the Betrayal foil and the Out of Time. Out of Time might be the best hit in the pack, not exactly sure. Either that or the Dockhand. But yeah, good to get back to Modern Horizons 2. Fun set. See you guys later.